Alright, some of you wanted to hear more about what I had to say about doing new stuff or different stuff at Bitesize Irish. If you don't recognize me, I'm Owen, it's Misha Owen. And I had the feeling, things add up, but I did definitely have the feeling that I needed to go deeper, something more meaningful. And it was this kind of moment of clarity where there was just way too much going on in my life, but maybe that's why I did that. And for that clarity, it was like this moment of like, no, we have to do things differently. And I had to give up on the idea of producing new content, investing in new content every single month. The business couldn't sustain that, so unfortunately we had to stop that. But we're going to be more dynamic in what we create for our members. That's one thing. And then with this energy, I wanted to build something deeper, another rhythm, uncircle bio. I can tell you more about it, but it meant that I realize as someone who runs Bitesize Irish, I can be quite a disruptive because I'm innovative, I'm an artist, I'm a technologist. I love playing with new technology, seeing where it brings us. I also love that depth, that soul depth. So it's merging those things. And that didn't work for everybody either. So it's kind of this destabilizing force. So I think it's about letting things emerge a bit more naturally. I don't want to chase the algorithms on social media, although I'm delighted to share on the journey a bit. So an bhfuil tú anseo. If you're here still watching, say Tá anseo. Tá anseo.